In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin team member to ClickFunnels. First, make sure you're logged into your ClickFunnels account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar with different options. Find the one labeled Workspace Settings and click on it. This is where you manage everything related to your workspace, including the people who have access to it. When the Workspace Settings page opens, look again at the left panel. In that menu, you'll see an option called Collaborators. Go ahead and click that. This section is basically your team management area. Here, you'll see a list of everyone who currently has access to your workspace, along with their role and the date they were added. If you haven't added anyone yet, you'll probably only see yourself in the list. To add a new person, move your attention to the top right corner of this Collaborators page and click on the button that says Add New Collaborator. This will open the new collaborator editor where you can set up a new team member. Inside this editor, look for the option that says Add New next to Team Member and click it. A pop-up window will appear asking for your team member's details. Start by entering their email address carefully, since this is where their invitation will be sent. Then fill in their first name and last name. Once those fields are complete, click the button to create the team member. After that, you'll be able to choose what role or roles you want to assign to them. ClickFunnels lets you give more than one role if needed. You'll see options like Reader, Customer Support, Affiliate Manager, Funnel Builder, Community Manager, Marketing, Payments, and Administrator. Since we're focusing on adding an admin, make sure you select Administrator and any other roles that make sense for what this person will be doing. Take a moment here to think about their responsibilities, because roles control what they can and can't do inside your account. When you're happy with the roles you've selected, click Create Collaborator. The page will refresh and take you back to your main collaborators list. You should now see the new team member added to the list. Their status will show as invited, which means they still need to check their email and accept the invitation before they can fully access your ClickFunnels workspace as an admin.